Hello everybody, welcome to online class. In today's class we'll discuss regarding the last case study of the subject. We'll read the caselet. An investment firm manages a mutual fund and would like to calculate the net asset value for a single share. The investment firm is given the following information regarding its mutual fund. Values of securities in portfolio is 75 million based on the end of the day closing prices. Then cash and cash equivalents of 15 million. Accrued income for the day of 24 million. Short-term liabilities of 1 million. Long-term liabilities of 12 million. Accrued expenses for the day of 5,000. And 20 million shares are outstanding. Okay, then we have to answer for the following questions. What is mutual fund? Explain the concept and features. Then what is net asset value? Explain the concept with the help of the formula. Then calculate the net asset value from the above given information. We'll answer for the questions one by one. First one is what is mutual fund? Explain the concept with features. See, mutual fund is nothing but it pools the money from the investors to purchase the securities and invest in the diversified securities, and whatever they earn from the diversified investment, those profit they will share again among the investors. Okay, then we have given a definition by SEBI. Mutual fund means fund established in the form of trust to raise money through sale of units to the public or a section of the public under one or more schemes for investing in securities including money market instruments. Okay. Then we'll discuss regarding the features of the mutual fund. A mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle consisting of a portfolio of stocks, bonds and the other securities. Then it is small or individual investors can access to the mutual fund. Then it is divided into several kinds of categories. Then mutual fund charges annual fees. In some cases commissions also will be charged. Then majority of the money in employer sponsored retirement plans goes into in a large number in mutual funds. Okay, then the next question is what is NAV? Explain the concept with the help of the formula. See, NAV is a total asset value per unit of the fund, which is calculated by the asset management company at the end of the every business day, and the formula for calculating the net asset of the scheme is net asset value is net asset of the scheme divided by the number of units. Okay, then this net asset of the scheme includes market value of the investment, receivables, other accrued incomes, other assets, and if there is any accrued expenses and the other payables or the other liabilities, those will be deducted from the market value of the investment, receivables and the other accrued income, and the balance will be net asset of the scheme, and the total number and this net asset of the scheme will be divided by the number of units. Next question is calculate the NAV from the above given information. Whatever information is given in the question, from that we have to calculate the net asset of the net asset value, and the net asset value after the calculation is ₹5 per unit. Okay, with this we are done with the case study. Thank you. Do well, study well, write well in the exam and score well. All the best for your exams. Thank you.